Just a little bit.
You need the head thing on though. Yeah, you look like such an extreme kayaker. I've had loads of experience. Yeah. After my traumatic event, you know. I'm gaining the confidence. Confident woman. Kayaking. Ugh. Do you ever feel like it's kind of weird that we don't have like obviously you don't have seatbelts and stuff on boats, but you feel kind of empty without them. Without seatbelts, yeah. Yeah, and on boats and stuff. Oh, I can do. I've got like a severe thing with seatbelts. I can't not get into the car without seatbelts. Even if I'm only going like 2 minutes down the road. Like when I was younger, my granny, oh shit, we're in the deep end. My granny used to give me and Joe a lift to school, and she wouldn't leave hang on, does this thing record sound? Does this record sound? Okay. She didn't, like, she used to just sit in the driveway until we put on our seatbelt. She wouldn't leave, so, I don't know, I've always kind of have a thing with him. It's so much easier going this way. Oh shit, we've got rivalry! Get off our... Shit. What? We're gonna look so gay with this head thing over your blue. Where is this Dublin? We've been travelling for days. Where we come flat on shore. On a kayak. I'd love to be like, we're actually entering a competition for extreme holidays. Smile at the camera. You may be on the internet. Hello, hello, hello the shore.